Hey everybody, this is Charlie, the Pennsylvania grain farmer, coming to you from, I guess, somewhat sunny western Pennsylvania. We're getting a little hazy sunshine today. It's Friday, October the 28th, I believe. It is definitely Friday. I am about to attempt to finish up the rest of my oats. I'd say there's about 2.5 or 3 acres here, and I'm going to try to get that off. I've been working on the soybeans this week. Monday and Tuesday, I took, between the 2 days, I took off, I don't know, 12 or 13 acres, but don't forget that includes time to, you know, for me to haul it to the mill and everything else. Tuesday night I had a problem with the Monday evening I had a problem with the my flex head, and I took it, it was the end of the day anyways, I took it back to my shop. I thought I had it fixed. I took it out on Tuesday about lunchtime to get started, and to my dismay, I went about 1.5 times around the field, and I had the same problem again. So I just said at that point, piss on it, I want to get this done. So I wasn't going to screw around with that flex head anymore. I took it back into the shop, took the flex head off, put my rigid grain head on, and I'm finishing up my my soybeans with that. I wasn't able to do any combining on Wednesday because we had a full day of rain. Not real heavy, but just an on and off light rain all day. Yesterday, Thursday, it was sunny all day and about 60, so I'm hoping that pretty much dried it out. I spent the day hauling some corn for Corey, and I decided today to give the soybeans a try. So I'm going to go part way around the field here and then moisture test it to make sure it seems to be okay, and hopefully we'll all get it off today. So I did do a video of hauling some of my previous soybeans from earlier in the week, hauling that to the elevator, and I'm not sure which of these two videos will go up first. I didn't want to make the overall video too long, so this one on the combining will be probably fairly short. Okay, so we'll get things cranked up, and here we go. I can't, get it as close to the ground as I like to, so I'm, harvesting a little bit higher than I really should, but that's what I need to do to get done. Now I have the slip clutch on. together. Some parts are better than others. None of it's really great. Some places the beans are only about maybe a foot tall if I'm lucky. So I wonder if at least part of it is weather related, because a number of my friends have said that they've had the same kind of problem, and that their oats vary quite a bit from place to place. Or soybeans, I mean. Sorry about that.
back at the red shed here. I didn't even take the truck out to the field because I only had less than a bin full on the combine to fill it up. There's probably 75 or 80 bushels in there, which is not even half a truckload, so I just left the truck here. As a word of explanation, about halfway through the harvesting part of the video, you may remember that I had a slip clutch starting to ratchet, and that was on the auger on the this rigid pickup head. Apparently I had it a little bit too low, and I got a big mound of dirt that went right in the center, and there was so much dirt piled up there that it actually stopped the auger from turning. But the slip clutch slipped like it's supposed to, and I got it cleaned out, and everything was all right. So I just after that tried to run it a little bit higher, just to make sure. So that's going to wrap up my soybean harvest. I have this video, and then I have another video of that I took yesterday of taking a load to the mill. I don't know which one I'm going to put up first, but you'll see both processes. You've seen the harvesting here, and you'll also see a trip to the grain elevator where I take my soybeans. So that's going to wrap it up for my harvest here. There's probably going to be some video yet of helping Corey. He has a little bit of corn to finish up, and then we have his beans to do, and I'll be hauling stuff for him. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you already haven't. And if you have subscribed, I thank you for that very much. So for now, this is from sunny western Pennsylvania. This is Charlie, the Pennsylvania grain farmer, saying, see you next time.